severe thunderstorm
Okay, but
warning
I'm
remains
recording
in
something.
effect until
More
6 p.m. for
to know.
southeastern Union and Webster counties. At 5:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Clay or near Providence, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof,
Alexa,
siding,
stop.
and trees. Locations impacted include Morganfield, Providence, Sturgis, Breckenridge Center, Seabury, Clay, Dixon, Waverly, Slaughters, and Leachcroft. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Union, and Webster.